Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix notifications of an app don't go away automatically in iPhone. So here is the steps to fix persistence notifications on iPhone. So for this, go to your iPhone settings. Now from here, find notification. Scroll down and type on notifications. Now scroll down and locate the notification option. Select the app, tap on the app whose notifications are not disappearing. For example, here. For example, Battlegrounds. Now scroll down to find the banner style, like here. If banner style is set to persistent, change it to temporary. Here, banner style. If it is set to persistent, change it to temporary. And just by following this step, you'll fix the problem. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.